Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome to my channel Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends, and follow me on my page on Facebook, Learn Arabic with Dina, and my page on Instagram. Also, you will see it on the screen now. Are you ready? Let's begin. The lesson entitled How Can You Pronounce the Alphabet in Arabic? The first letter named Alif. Alif in Arabic like the pronounce of A in English. Alif like apple. Repeat after me. Alif in Arabic equals the pronounce of A in English. Apple. Alif, apple. Okay. And we have three letters or groups like the same shape or the same form. It's named B, T, Th. Repeat after me, please. B, T, Th. B. How can you pronounce this letter? B like pronounce of B in English. When you say back, pen, okay? B. B like the pronounce of B letter in English. How can write this letter? B has one dot on the bottom. B has one dot on the bottom. And T. T. How can pronounce this letter? It's like T in English. When you say tree. T in Arabic equal T, tree. I think it is now. T in Arabic equal the pronounce of T letter in English. Okay, how can write this letter? T has two dot on the top. T has two dot on the top. After then we have the letter. The letter. How can pronounce this letter? I think it will be easy to pronounce the like th in English, like thank you. The in Arabic equal th in English, thank you, or think, or three. Okay. How can write this letter? Had three dot on the in Alif, B, T, Th. Alif like A in English, the pronounce of A in English, A apple. B like B, T like T, Th like th. Thank you, think, three. How can you write the groups of B and T and Th? B has one dot on the bottom. T has two dot on the top. Th has three dot on the top. I'm so happy when you teach this lesson. If you have any question, don't forget to put it in the below of comments and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Inshallah. مع السلامة.